Hi, today we're gonna do a HyperResearch tutorial. So first, click the HyperResearch icon, and since we are just using a free limited edition, just click Use Free Limited Edition, there. And then under Create New, click HyperResearch Study, and then you will see the casebook and the codebook. So to open a text file, just click Sources, and then select Open Text File. Then let's find where you have saved the sample transcript. Okay, click sample transcript and select open. So there, now you will see the sample transcript. So please take note that this is just a sample transcript, meaning this is not a real data. So this sample transcript is about defining happiness, consisting of 3 teenagers. So let's just read the file first, and let's try to find a phrase or a word that could have a meaning in defining happiness. Okay. There. Well, I see something. So let's select this one. Nothing bad is still happening to me. Just right click, and then from the code book, click right click and then new code. Then let's type a code for this. Maybe absence of bad experience could be a good code, and just select OK. And then click apply code. So there, you will see that it's automatically coded in your selected phrase. So let's try another one. Here, we could code eat with my family. So let's try to highlight this phrase. And then right click for new code, and then we could type family as a code and then click OK. Then click apply code. So there, you will see that it is coded, and when you select the code, it will automatically show you the phrase. So sometimes we could see that there are repeating responses like this, family, and then family again. So with this, we could right click and select auto code, and then let's go to phrases and let's type the word family, and then click add phrase, and then let's go to codes and then select add codes, and let's select the code family. Click select and then click auto code. OK, click OK, and then let's just close this one. There, you will see that it is automatically coded all the phrases that has the word family. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So sometimes there would be some double codes with the same phrase. So don't worry, we could freely delete the code. So just right click and select delete and click OK. There. Sometimes we also want to change the name of the code. So let's just select right click and then select recode. We could and then select, we could choose from here or select new code, and then let's type like negative, no, let's change it. Let's say absence of negative experience and click OK, and then click select and then OK. There, you will see that it is automatically changed from bad experience to negative experience. We could also try recoding or renaming it. So from family, since it's it with my family, let's try family time for this one and click OK. There. So you will see that all the codes that we made is also listed in the case code. In this case code, it is if we have more than one transcripts. So we could also filter these codes, let's say by name. Let's try selecting absence of bad experience and click select. So there, you will see that there is nothing there because remember we have changed a while ago the code from bad experience to negative experience. So let's try to filter the code again by name and select family time. So there, you will see that there is one family time coded. So let's try to filter it again with all codes so we could see all the codes there. So we could also rename the case. So just click this and then new key, rename, and then let's type sample1 and click OK. So if you have another transcript, as I said a while ago, let's select new case and then type sample2 and click OK. So there you could see sample1, sample2. You could also filter the cases, let's say by name. So let's select sample 2 and click select. There. So you will just only see sample 2. So let's put it back again from all cases. So sample 2, sample 1. You could see the sample 1 again. So aside from text file, you could also analyze image file or movie or audio file. So let's just wait for another tutorial for that. So for now, let's save this. So select where you want to save it. In my case, I will save it to the HyperResearch tutorial folder. So let's save it as a sample HyperResearch tutorial. There. And then just click save. So now we are safe to close the HyperResearch. And there, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3.